Hey there, guys and gals. I'm back with another Tepsmigo product, like the Nerf Vests combo set that I reviewed a while back. They contacted me again, and they were like, "Would you be interested in this glow-in-the-dark solar system set?" And I was like, "Sure." My nephew loves space, solar system, planets. He's way smarter than I was when I was a kid. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But yeah, I'm excited to try this out, and I'm sorry, Harry, it took me so long to do this, but um, yeah, my bad. This video will probably be, you'll see that stuff has moved around because I'm doing the unboxing first, or rather the unpackaging. I'm doing that first, and then probably tomorrow, after I've seen all the stickers have stayed in the light for a while, I'll show you guys them actually glowing in the dark, which I'm excited about. So let's just get right into it. This is going to be a super quick opening. Super quick. Oh, it comes in many pieces. Wait, is there one more? No, we're good. This is now open. So in addition to the planets, plus the sun, it also has a bunch of extra stickers that glow in the dark. You have like comets. You guys see that? You guys can probably see that. You've got like comets. You got stars and shooting stars. The Big Dipper. Actually, I pointed to the, well, actually, I'd probably be the Little Dipper, to be honest with you. Then just some regular stars. If you're a star, you can also kind of see on the camera that they're sort of glowing. But what do you get in the package? You get the sun, you get Jupiter, not Jupiter. You get Jupiter, not Jupiter, just so we're clear. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. Why is everything written in why everything's written in Comic Sans, and it upsets me. But if you'll notice, I didn't say Pluto. Now, officially right now, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Excuse me, but this set does not have Pluto. So let's get a look at these stars. Oh, the planets. Because the planets are the important parts of this, let's be honest. They are supposed to be in scale, but if you know me, you know I'm terrible at math and therefore won't be doing the math to make sure that they're correct. It's just not who I am as a person. So basically they're saying you're gonna place them under a lamp before you put them on the wall. That's really cute. Step 3, turn off the lights and voila! That's cute. I like that. Apparently you're supposed to expose them for 5 minutes a day to light, but if they're in your room, like on the ceiling or something, then chances are you're going to be totally fine. Like if you're in your room for more than 5 minutes a day with the light on, they should be powerful enough. They are a little bit stuck together in some cases. Weird. So what do we got? Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo. The sun! Little baby Mercury. Venus! It's our home planet, the Earth. Now this is watercolor designed, so like as you can see, they're not photorealistic designs. They are cute watercolor designs. So like that's clearly not a photorealistic picture of the Earth. Next up, Mars. Then Jupiter, the big boy. The big boy. Saturn. Uranus. Oh, sorry. Uranus. And Neptune. And then if you look at the package, it says star. But really, they just mean a whole bunch of stars. Now, is there more than one sheet in here? Because if so, that's a lot of pictures to put up on the wall. Oh, there's multiple sheets in each of these little packages. which is super cool. So you can have a lot of stuff. A lot of stickers up on the wall. One thing, if you guys saw my last Tepsmigo review, you know I did it in conjunction with Max, aka Roman, and his dad Javi, and they had asked me about this set. Are you supposed to be able to remove them and then put them back on? And it doesn't seem like these are intended to be removable. So just keep that in mind. But we'll see how easy they are to get off of stuff. I'm gonna put stickers on a bunch of stuff tonight, and then we'll see how easy they are to get off of certain surfaces. Are they all? No, you can tell if there's more than one sticker in there because this is 42B and the other side is 42A. So the stars there's a lot more of, but the rest of the stuff is just one sheet, it looks like. Yeah, one sheet of both of these. Oh, it looks like they didn't actually put the adhesive down on this one, but that's fine. Like, it wasn't going to get damaged in here. It came in a humongous box, considering that this is so flat. But that's good. Nothing on the inside was damaged at all. And so when I see you guys next, you guys can see this stuff in action. So I'm going to try my best to summarize everything that I already summed up in the Amazon review, just so you guys know what's up. First of all, keep in mind that these are the watercolor design planets. They're not supposed to be photorealistic. So don't, if you're going for like the photorealistic planets, this is not the set for you. Just get that out of the way right now. The planets are very, very thick, but the paper that they're on has multiple layers. So when you go to take them apart, there's a chance that stuff like this will happen where you pull the backing off, but it's not actually the backing, it's just another layer of the backing. So it's actually kind of a pain to get the planets separated when you want to apply them. And when you want to get them off, you're going to have to go through a process. I would suggest like a spatula or something, something flat and long to get behind them because they stick really well, which is a plus that you can just stick them on wherever you want and they work. The same thing goes for just the regular stickers, but the stickers are not nearly as bright as the planets. And I don't know if that's because the stickers are thin, really, really thin, and the planets are thicker so they can absorb more, but that's just the way it is. One thing to note about the whole set is that there's like a set illumination level that it can reach. Like it can only reach a certain amount of glow-in-the-dark power if you want to give it that. So like it says on the package, charge them for 5 minutes and then they'll glow. That's true. You can't charge them the whole day and then they'll glow brighter. It's just like they hit that top level and then they stay that bright until, you use them for a bit glowing in the dark. And one specific thing about charging is that say you wanted to charge the planets, but you had them in a pile, so you left them under a lamp like this, only the areas of the planets, I know this is the sun, we'll get into that in a second, only the areas of the planet that are actually hit by the light to charge them will actually illuminate. So if I had charged the planet stickers like this, there would be a circle here, a semicircle here, and the outline of Saturn here that would not be illuminated. And that doesn't mean that the sun won't illuminate. It just means that it was not charged right. So if you just move the stuff away and charge the sun by itself, or charge them with the pieces out of the way, then it'll illuminate fine. You have nothing to worry about. And when I originally got them out of the package, I first left the light on them like in a group, and I had the imprint of Saturn on here that was just dark on the sun, and I was like, is it broken? But no, it was just because they were laying that way. Speaking of that, as you saw before, there are 2 stickers already peeled off here to make sure that they stick, and the planet Mercury is missing. So it says that there are 9 planets included. The sun is one of the things that's included. That's not a planet, that is a star, but whatever, we're gonna let it pass on this case because it's huge and they're scaled, so you can get a good view of size. Then there's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto is not included in this set. Though technically Pluto is not a planet anymore. It's a dwarf planet. If you were expecting to have Pluto in here, it is not included in this set. That's just another
These
thing.
guys. So the planets, as you can see, are much brighter than the stickers are. Actually, they look really cool on camera. The camera is giving like a good display of shadow, so you can like see the contour. They're actually brighter than what the camera is showing. It's just giving you a really good concept of where the shadows are. So I did have one. I should have just started with this. I don't know why I didn't think of it. This is actually a DB5, which I've done a review for on this channel previously. It's like a generic GoPro. But yeah, the stickers are much lighter, even if they're fully charged, than the planets are. So just keep that in mind.
I recommend this set? Oh, most definitely. For the price point that it's at and how bright the planets are, basically we're saying that the extra stickers are just that. They're extra stickers, which is super cool and all, and they really complement the set. But what you're buying this set for is definitely the scaled versions of the planets. It's a little disappointing that it's missing Pluto. I'm not going to be like, woo, bring Pluto back as a planet, but having it be a dwarf planet in our solar system, I mean, come on, that still counts. Dwarfs count. But yeah, for $19.99, what this set costs, I would definitely recommend this for any kids that are looking to explore the final frontier or just want them all around in their houses. I'm actually going to end up giving the planets to my nephew who loves space and all that stuff. He's really into space travel and planets right now. So I think this is going to be great for his wall. Yeah. Thank you again, Tepsmigo, for giving me a chance to review these. That was my honest thoughts. If you guys like what you saw, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, what's up? And I'll see you guys and gals later in the next one.